On this episode of Bad Tree Productions, we're going to drive it.
Oh, all right. Got some parts. Everything we need to get the Duster back on the road today. So we got our leaf spring U-bolts, and we got our hardware, nuts and washers, and change. And we got our new sending unit. So we got 2 sets of those. Sweet. Now we gotta slam it back together. So I picked up some of this rust fix made by Duplicolor. Anyway, my thought process behind this was the top of the tank right here where the spare tire well has this indentation for it was really scaly and rusty, and I figured it can't hurt to maybe coat the top of the tank with this that way, because I'm guessing condensation moisture gets built up and sits on top here. So I'm just gonna put a coat of this stuff on it. Might not do anything, it might help out, who knows, but it's only $9, so it's worth a shot to find out. So
Watch it fall off. Clunk.
ooh. Is it supposed to be that clean?
The new ones are.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Ouch. Oh. I got one, don't I?
Yep. Top one.
And we don't need a safety brass one because there's nothing in here to blow up. That's it. Should we put it in now? Or you wait till next episode?
All right, so we got new U-bolts in.
Oh.
I'm working on. We got old rubber off to and back from lines. That ground look good? Not really.
Scratch it up. I can help. I suppose. Oh, I gotta take this call. You're like, it's not even ringing. I think it needs to come your way.
My way?
Our way. I don't know what's going on. We'll get them up loose.
Yeah.
These are the locking bolts or nuts. That's probably good enough. When you put gas in it, the weight will bring it down.
I think you're right. We're down to the box end of things. Well, our sockets are only so deep. But I'll get there. I'll check back in with you guys later. All right, so sit rep. That took forever, but she's up there. So continue forth. Oh. And hook the stuff up. that you can't really see. Oh, there we go. Don't you want to have that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just
Right.
I'm stretching it out.
Right.
Yes. Oh, I think. Yep. I bottomed out. All right.
Sweet.
You guys remember the other episode? We put this stuff in a container.
In the UK, they call that a bin.
And the one outside they call a wheelie bin because it has wheels on it.
Oh, really?
I made that. I don't know.
That makes sense.
Any of our UK subscribers out there can correct me. Oh. Right. That's got to be it. Ugh. Like they didn't want it falling off.
Oh.
Something.
Lee Iacocca's first day on the job.
What?
Designing.
That'll flop around where it needs to go. What do we got here?
Make a noise, Jeremy, that sounds like an impact. Like a star pattern, too?
Ooh, it's getting exciting.
Okay.
Getting it all squared away.
Yep, she's... That's it.
Boy, I tell you, putting them rally rings, you have to hit them hard. It was scary on my wheels.
Oh, the beauty rings?
The beauty rings.
I find palms close and both knees and downward facing dog them off.
Take out the Blake's coffee filter. I mean, fuel filter.
He's got the slow drop. 91 Rustane for performance applications only.
That is a testament to a carburetor versus fuel injection. This thing drove in here, just grinding it all to. Whoa. Loyal. That is loyal. That was loyal. That thing is loyal motor. Oh yeah. Super cool. Oh, these? You guys gonna have to wait for those. All right. First cruise. Is this gonna blind you? Totally?
No, I'm fine.
All right. Boom! Once again. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put her to the floor. Oh, jeez.
Oh. Thank God for image stabilization. Oh, Blake.
There's no gas cap on the car.
Did we really do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Can we superimpose a gas cap?
My editing
in post?
is not that good.
Oh, all right. Still got mismatched wheels, but we're living with it. Well, it's like you're gonna spend all that at the end of the week anyways.
Yeah.
Like my truck holds 39 gallons. I wait till it's empty, then gas cap probably wouldn't have helped that, but
No.
it's full.
So we put 4 gallons in it.
Survey says.
It's a 15-gallon tank. What the hell? False advertisement. It said 16.
Success.
Wrong side.
Take 2. Success. It runs, it drives, it doesn't leak, it doesn't stink, and
It doesn't fall apart.
it doesn't fall apart.
That's a good thing.
That's a win in this book.
Yeah. So, what we all did was came into the garage thinking fuel system. Ended up,
Suspension system and fuel system.
yeah. So, it's a good thing that we found it, because
Before it fell apart over the winter.
before a leaf spring went up through the trunk floor,
Yeah, I've
That
seen it
would've been-
happen. It's not good.
that would have been a untimely surprise. I'm guessing.
Yeah.
It probably would have happened somewhere not close to here.
Yeah. Well, the garage is empty again. Now we can sweep up and clean. What do you think? Maybe just rebuild that carb for giggles. And I want to put pipes on that Duster. I want to put pipes in that Duster. My slant 6, I piped it, one of the second or third things I did. And it'll wake it up.
So how about next episode we start to do things to try to get the Duster to do a burnout on its own without the white stuff.
So yeah, until then, yeah, make it do a burnout.
Let's make it do a burnout.
Because we've tried and
It don't want
we
to.
didn't film it, but it doesn't want to.
So we'll do exhaust, do a little mess with the timing, carburetor. That needs to come off because I guarantee the bowls are just...
The accelerator pump's probably rotten on that little thing, so we can do that. And I might have a lead on a 2-barrel carburetor with a adapter plate,
I might be interested in that.
probably for cheap. Something to try.
Next time, we'll see you in a couple days.
Yeah.
And if you can think of anything else for us to do, let us know, because we're running out of ideas. We got to get the Dart in here, and we got to start working on that too. So
That's happening soon.
we got a Magnum RT we can work on. We got a Chrysler 300 SRT we can work on. We got a big 460 big block Ford quarter mile
Oh.
we can work on. We got a Hemi Dodge Ram. It could probably use exhaust. That'd be cool.
Tom Jones style.
Yeah, well,
You want everyone to hear you.
yeah. Maybe not.
All right.
All right.
Watch the next one.
Like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell, guys.
Ring a ding a ding.
Peace. And we're working on trying to get a logo made right now, too.
Ah, yeah. Buddy of mine, artist, he's on the ball.
Yep.
He was doodling on a sketch pad as I was talking to him over the phone, so look for that soon.
You know who you are, Keon.
Well, now everybody does.
But we're thinking about maybe making a couple t-shirts and some hats. If anybody would be interested in them, let us know in the comments. It might be something we'd think about doing.